Alright, YouTube. Hi, hello, what's up? We just got on the plane. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to record, but take a look outside. We're on Frontier Airlines. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to have a window seat. I'm in the middle, I guess. But this is the view. This is on the airplane. This is everybody. This is not a fake airplane. Oh shit, I dropped my ID. I dropped my ID. Oh, okay. All right, sorry about that. Dropped my ID. But this is us on the airplane. I thought it was gonna be like first class, second class, or third class or something. This is just all one airplane. That's crazy. And then they said it's full, and it's COVID-19 outside. That's crazy. But yep. I'm gonna try to get us some footage of us in the air. Ooh, she is thick. Look at that ass. Oh my god. Let me see if y'all can see. This is us on the airplane. And then when we start moving, I'll get us some more footage. But this is just little quick short videos. Give y'all a look at where we at.